This program is a menu-driven Java application that allows user to perform various file operations using java.io.file class. It provides options such as creating, opening, renaming, deleting files, creating dictionaries, finding absolute path, and listening files in a directory. The user interacts with the system via console input, selecting option by entering corresponding numbers from the menu. This program demonstrates the concept of file handling in Java, which is a crucial part of the input and the output operation. The output explanation. When the program starts, it displays a menu of 8 file operation option. The users choose an operation by entering the corresponding number. In the sample run above, the user first select option 2 to create a new file named test.txt. Since the file does not exist, the program creates it and prints file created successfully. Next, the user select option 1 to open the file, and the program confirms that it exists, showing its absolute path. Then the user choose option 3 to rename text to sample.txt, and the program successfully renamed it. Later, the user select option 5 to create a new dictionary called my folder, and the program confirms its creation. Under option 7, the user checks the contents of this dictionary. Since it's empty, it displays no files yet. Finally, when the user enter 8, the program exits gracefully after displaying exiting. Throughout the execution, the program continuously loops back to the menu until the user chooses to exit. The use of java.io.file and scanner object allows smooth interaction between the program and the user, while demonstrating practical file management operation in Java. This program defines three file names called part1, part2 and combine.txt. The first two files are considered as the input files, when combine.txt is the output file where the content of both input files will be merged. Inside the try block, two buffer reader objects, reader1 and reader2, are created to read data line by line from the two input files. The buffer read writer object is used to write data into the merged file. The program also maintains a variable line number to keep track of line numbering while writing the data into the combined files. It first reads all the line from part1.txt using a while loop. For each line read, it writes that line into the combine.txt file, prefixed with a line number like 1, 2, etc., and then increment the line count. After finishing with the first file, the same process is repeated for part2.txt. Once both files are completely read, all the streams like a reader and writer are closed to prevent resource leakage. Finally, the program prints a success message. Files merge successfully into combine.txt, indicating that the merging operation is complete. If any issue occurs, like file not found or read-write error, the program catches the IO exception and displays an appropriate error message. Output explanation. In the sample, run the program first reads the two input text files like part1.txt and part2.txt. When reading part1.txt, it takes the first line, roses are red, and writes it as roses are red in the combined text file. The next line, violets are blue, becomes violets or blue in the another file. After finishing the first file, it process to the part2.txt and appends flowers are pretty and also so are you to merge the file. Thus, the new file combine.txt contains all the content of both input files neatly numbered in the sequence. This demonstrates how multiple files can be combined and how line by line reading and writing can be managed efficiently in Java.